Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. Fans of Utando Nestembo has voiced their frustration after the latest episode aired without the usual presence of Mayeni and Mangwabe. The absence of these two left viewers feeling disconnected and unsatisfied. Mayeni and Mangwabe are the pillar of this show. They are dynamic with the other wives, and husband, Musamseleko, has become one of the central elements that keeps audience turning in week after week. But this recent episode left fans questioning the direction of the show heading. Utando Nestembu without Mayeni and Mangwabe is like a meal without spice. It just doesn't hit the same, one frustrated viewer commented on Twitter. Musam Selegu himself has been criticized for not finding a way to keep the show engaging in the absence of his wives, which many suggesting that their absence revealed a gaping hole in the narrative. Next topic is about Makwela and Mselegu expecting a baby. Musam Selegu is expecting another child with Samke Kwela. In the latest episode, Samke left viewers stunned when she revealed that she is expecting a child with Musa. Mselegu, who is already a father of 10, has long expressed his desire to grow his family. He shares 3 children with Matlele, 3 with Mayeni, 2 with Mangwabe, and 2 with other women. Now it appears that Makwela is ready to help him fulfill the dream. The pregnancy announcement came during the short getaway the couple took together to relax and reconnect following Musam Selegu's recent hospitalization. During the trip, they enjoyed a game drive and later settled down for a romantic picnic. It was when Makwela surprises Mselegu with a positive pregnancy test, revealing her pregnancy. Mselegu was visibly overjoyed and emotional as the news marked a significant moment for him. Not only did it fulfill his wish to expand his family, but he also believed it would silence ongoing speculations about his fertility. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.